Welcome to the DS Exchange Learning Centre. My name's Ray Werlod, and the presentation we're going to give you today talks about data elements. Data elements in DataStage are a little maligned, a little underused for what they can give you. Data elements provide you a great way of aligning and recording your business metadata with the operational and technical metadata that you ordinarily will use in a DataStage job. Now that we have version 8 with the combined metadata repository, we also have the ability to integrate business metadata produced by tools like IBM's Business Glossary and incorporate those in our DataStage designs as well. So let's get underway with data elements. I like to think of data elements as luggage tags for data. A luggage tag is a way that gives us the opportunity to track something or to find out what it belongs to in quite a precise fashion. I think the reason that data elements haven't been used very widely is that they don't appear to contribute anything. You can design a DataStage job and it will work perfectly happily without assigning any data elements at all. So why bother? We're all pressed by deadlines, but I believe that a more professional approach is to tie things back to the knowledge and the language of the business, and data elements give us a good way to do that. They are internal to DataStage. They have no real external visibility. There is no other tool that uses the same concept of a data element, at least not quite so directly, and tying the data elements into the technical metadata. But towards the end of this presentation, we'll talk about how we might integrate tools like Business Glossary with data elements in DataStage and leverage the benefits of both. The reason or the purpose for having data elements is to give you closer, more exact, tighter scope for classifying various items of data. Sure, we have technical metadata, the SQL data types, but they don't tell us very much about what a particular item of data is being used for. They don't tell us anything about the rules apart from things like must not be null, must contain only numbers, but nothing more. And we need more. So if we have a data element that more accurately describes an item of data, that might link back into other business metadata such as legislative or regulatory requirements, or accounting rules, or indeed anything. So even if we're just working with money, taking something on board as revenue, when can you count something as revenue? Well, SQL data type will just tell you that it's a decimal number with, say, 2 decimal places. It doesn't give you any information about those other rules.